In this example, you've got 3 columns of information. Really, let's just talk about 2: color and item. So you've got red apple, green pear, another green pear, a blue marble, a yellow truck, a red apple, brown pen, yellow banana. Okay? So let's say, obviously this is a ridiculous example, but you've got a long list of items. You want to know how many of a particular item or color do you have. So here we want to know how many red trucks, how many red items, and then down here, how many trucks. The formula is fairly simple, so I'll click here and you'll see up here in the formula bar, equals, remember every formula begins with an equal sign, countif. Now you can type it in lowercase, uppercase, doesn't matter, it will always become uppercase once you hit enter. So equals countif. You're saying, I want to count a range and tell me how many there are if they are called red. So you say equals countif, open parentheses, then you're going to select the range, and it's going to be E3 colon, that means E3 all the way to E10. So that's here all the way down to here. In that range, how many, so you put a comma to separate the arguments, and you put in quotation marks the word red, and close quotation mark, close bracket. Hit enter and it'll count it up and tell you you've got 2 red items. 2 of these are called red. How many trucks? Same kind of formula. Countif. Now we're looking at this range, so it's F3 through F10, comma, again quotation marks, truck, close bracket, and it'll say there's only 1 truck in that list. So that's all very helpful to know. Not in this particular example, but for yours it would be. Another formula I wanted to mention is left or right. Let's say I want to find out what is the leftmost letter in this cell. I only want 1 letter starting from the left. So I go over to this column, I'm calling it alpha, and I type in equals left, and in brackets you put E3, the cell you're talking about, comma, and 1, the 1 represents how many letters am I looking for starting from the left. I'm only looking for 1 letter. So it would be R would be the result. If I put 2 letters and hit enter, it's going to give me 2 letters from that. If I copy this down, it'll give me 2 letters from each of these cells. So that's countif and left or right.